مثل الآن الجريمة حتنفذيها بهالمكان هذا.
I was here. I was very sick, totally sick. She told me, Vicky, don't touch this thing and don't pick anything in Barat because you've already poisoned. I don't know what I'm going to tell you people. I'm sorry.
بتاريخ 29 من الشهر الفائت حدثت جريمة قتل في مدينة دمشق. على الفور تم الإعاز لهيئة الكشف الطبي والقضائي، وتبين أن المغدورة هدى الشعراوي تم قتلها في منزلها بواسطة أداة صلبة بضربها على رأسها عدة ضربات. كم المدة اللي انت صار لك عم تشتغلي عند الأستاذة هدى فيها هون بالمنزل؟ وهل تقيمي انت وياها بمفردكم بالمنزل ام في حدا معكم؟
October last year. Yeah, at night we stay with her only.
شو كان الدافع لحتى ارتكبت جريمة القتل وقتلت الأستاذة هدى؟ يعني ما هو الدافع لارتكاب هذه الجريمة؟ شو السبب؟
What is your motivation that make you kill Madame Huda?
Because she told me that Vicky, don't pick anything in Barat, you have already poisoned. She was sitting there. That is where I'm sitting.
اسألنا إياها كيف دخلت عليها وقتلتها؟
That night, by the time I did this, we remained only two because the son was staying here at around midnight. Coming to midnight, he went back. And by the time when Mama told me that you have already poisoned, I think that we are going to die together because you have already poisoned me. And I told her that you take me back to the office. You don't want to take me back. What is going on? My heart is telling me to go back. So by the time he told me, I said, okay, you poisoned me. I'm crying that I'm suffered malaria. Kumbe, not malaria. You have already poisoned me. Today we are going to finish. So at around 3 at night, I went and picked this thing to the kitchen. And I did this thing. After that, I went and swallowed medicine. I picked marame, I pour fuel. I want to kill myself here. I waited for die. Murphy died. I went behind there. I jumped. I want to kill myself, Murphy. And there's a road. There's a door, small door I passed. I just followed this road, going far to look for where I can kill myself. So I went up there where there's war. I want to hide myself there waiting for my to death. So there's a lady who stopped me that you look stranded. Can I help you? I said, you help me. I'm sick. I'm looking for government hospital. He said, let me call you the boy. The boy knows English. The boy came and start asking me that what's wrong. I said, my madam chased me away. She gave me this thing. I tried to lying him. So she told me that I'm going to take you to the hospital, but I'll call police. Immediately she refused to take me to the hospital. He called police. Then police come and catch me from the other side.
في حدا دفعك أو حرضك على ارتكاب هذه الجريمة؟
No. I'm telling the truth. I don't want to lie.
Okay.
If I die when I'm telling you the truth that I'm the one who killed her because she told me that I'm already poisoned. And we have started misunderstanding on November because I asked her that I need my money to send in Uganda. She has refused. She told me that you wait for 4 months, then after 4 months I'll give you the money if you're working well. So misunderstanding start like that. She start mistreating me, not giving me food. And I have also stick, it is there in her mom. She used to beat me. And I told the daughter of Mama Yuda that your mother cannot give me the food. She used to pack me food 3 days, 2 days.
رح تمثلي الآن الجريمة رح تنفذيها بهالمكان هذا. أخذت من المنزل نقود مجوهرات؟
No. the whole story. I just, after killing and waiting for my die, I start moving without any shoes. I left the shoes inside. I move without shoes. These shoes they give me from the roadside when I was putting. I didn't pick anything.
هل أنت نادمة على فعلك اللي ارتكبتيه بقتل الأستاذة هدى؟
I know I did, but I apologize to all of Syria to forgive me because what I did, I did not even need. I don't know what come over me.
تم إنهاء التحقيقات. ستحال المتهمة الخادمة فيكي أوغندية الجنسية إلى القضاء السوري لمحاكمتها أمام القضاء السوري وفق القوانين السورية.